Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see the disciplines or else the specializations in PhD for junior research fellow or else senior research fellow, and then the eligibility or else qualification. So here comes the right hand side. You can see that the eligibility qualification or else master degree is in bracket. You can see the left side there is a subject. So there are 73 subjects are there. For example, genetics and plant breeding, seed science and technology, economic botany, and then plant genetic resources, plant pathology, nematology, agricultural entomology, and then entomology, sericulture, plant biochemistry, plant physiology, and then crop physiology, and then agricultural biotechnology, molecular biology and biotechnology, agricultural microbiology, and then vegetable science or else olericulture, and then fruit science or pomology, floriculture and landscaping or else floriculture and landscape architecture, and then spices, plantation, medical and aromatic plants, post-harvest technology, horticulture, animal genetic and breeding. So animal nutrition, and then livestock production management, livestock productions technology, poultry science, veterinary parasitology, and then veterinary public health and epidemiology. So veterinary microbiology, and then veterinary pathology, veterinary medicine, and then veterinary pharmacology and toxicology, veterinary gynecology, and then obstetrics, animal reproduction, and then gynecology and obstetrics, veterinary surgery, and then radiology, veterinary surgery, as well as veterinary autonomy, and then autonomy and histology. So veterinary physiology, and then animal physiology, and then you can see that veterinary biochemistry as well as animal biochemistry, animal biotechnology, dairy chemistry, food technology, dairy microbiology, food safety and quality assurance, dairy engineering, dairy technology, farm machinery and power engineering, soil and water conservation engineering, and soil and water engineering, agricultural processing and food engineering, renewable energy and engineering. You can see that irrigation, water management engineering, irrigation and drainage engineering, family resource management, textiles and apparel designing, human development, family studies, human development, food science and nutrition, human nutrition, home science extension and community management, fisheries resources management, fish processing technology, fish post harvest technology, fisheries engineering technology, aquatic environment management, aquaculture, fish health management, aquatic animal health management, fish nutrition and feed technology, fish genetics and breeding, fish biotechnology, fish physiology and biochemistry, forestry, agroforestry, agricultural meteorology, and then you can see that environmental sciences, agricultural physics, agronomy, soil sciences, soil science and agricultural chemistry, agricultural chemicals, water science and technology, agricultural economics, agri business management, agricultural extension education, communication, agricultural statistics, bioinformatics, computer applications, and IT. So these are all the 73 courses where you can apply for the PhD. So in the description box, I will give the link where you can go through all these stuffs, and I will attach the uh, you know icon. You can see that the previous videos where the universities which all are coming under ICAR, it is also there. If you would like to get more admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamp It YouTube channel. Thank you.